Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Consumers paid higher prices for poultry, residential rent, and eating out. Annualized inflation for July 2025 rose 3.3%, according to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica's latest All-Jamaica Consumer Price Index. When compared with July 2024, prices in both the food and non-alcoholic beverages division and housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels segment of the CPI grew by 3.7%. Meanwhile, prices in the restaurant and accommodation services were up 6.3%. In particular, the price of mixed parts, whole chicken, chicken frankfurters, and turkey neck was higher than a year ago. In addition, consumers paid more for ripe bananas, oranges, watermelon, and dried coconut than they did in July 2024. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market with US $30 million on Tuesday in order to help contain the slide in the value of the dollar and its negative impact on prices, inflation, and total spending. The bank says it received 43 bids for US $69.9 million, but it accepted only 18 of these bids for the US $30 million it pumped into the market, resulting in unsatisfied demand of US $39.1 million. The lowest bids were between 160.38 and 160.39 for $1 US. Juicy Beef Limited has opened 3 new restaurants in Florida and New York since the beginning of August. Located in Davie and Coral Springs, Florida, and Queens, New York, the Juicy Patties franchise were officially opened on August 2, 6, and 12, 2025. The Queens restaurant represents Juicy's 3rd location in New York, while Davie and Coral Springs brings Florida's total to 9. With these 3 new additions, the company now operates a total of 12 stores across the United States. For the trading period ending August 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Caribbean Financial Conglomerate JMMB Group Limited, 7.35% cumulative redeemable preference shares with 5,118,499 units traded, representing 25.83% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 2,685,872 units traded, representing 13.55% of market sales volume. Wholesale hardware merchant Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited, with 2,154,806 units traded, representing 10.87% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $75.84 million purchased and US $75.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.18 per dollar, selling the US at $161.05 and buying the US at $159.87. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.64 per transaction, with selling at $119.37 and buying at $113.73. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.04 in profits, with selling at $215.54 and buying at $214.50. For our credit report tip of the day, for many entrepreneurs, the biggest roadblock to growth isn't vision or drive, it's access to funding. Banks have strict requirements, and when your credit score is under 600, the path to approval may seem impossible. But with the right strategy, you can still position yourself as a credible borrower and secure the financial tools to grow your business. The good news, even with a score under 600, there are smart ways to approach your banker and position yourself for success. You can ask about secured credit card or credit builder loans. Start with lower risk products such as an auto loan or secured credit card before the mortgage, and keep credit utilization under 30%. When you're building something from nothing, when business slows down or life feels quieter, it's not a setback, it's strategy time. Professional women over the age of 45 can use this season to rest, reset priorities, and relaunch with new wealth building moves that create lasting resilience. Here are some ideas. Consolidate loans for lower rates. Automate savings and investments. And start a business credit file separate from your personal credit. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.